Are you a tailor or a fashion designer, as you may call yourself? So am I. I'm also a fashion designer. I've been sewing for about 7 years now, and I can tell you my record and my measurement book were not stable until I discovered Stylebitt. With Stylebitt, you can take measurement anywhere and anytime just with your device. So you get to save measurement and customers digitally on your device. You never get to lose any of this information because at any time you can log in to your account using your email on your new device, and you get to retrieve all your information and data back on your new device. So you can check the description box or the comment section for the link to download the Stylebitt app. So join the digital fashion designer and you're going to love it. Download this application and you thank me later.
If you haven't heard about this application called Stylebitt, then you should watch this video to the end. I'll just log in into my account with Stylebitt, and this is my account. You can see I have the Rashid, and from the home page I can tell my total revenue just by clicking on this show, and this is my revenue with Stylebitt, and I can hide it to make it privacy. From the home page you can see Stylebitt tells me that you have 3 orders overdue in 48 hours, and here you have 2 pending payments. Here you got 1 new customer in the last 24 hours. So I just want to show you how to add new customers and their measurements. So to add new customer, you're going to click on this customer here, click this, then you see a plus button this side, click on the plus button. Then first thing, you name the customer. So I'll name this customer Lawal Abdurrashid Alabanji. So Lawal Abdurrashid Alabanji. Then you add the customer's phone number. You should always add the phone number with the country's code, that is the wordometer. So that if you want to message the customer on WhatsApp, you should add it with the wordometer. So for Nigeria is +234. Then you can put in the phone number, then indicate that this number is on WhatsApp. So you have to click this WhatsApp button here. After that, you can proceed to input all the measurements you want. So here we have all measurements that is required. Remember, you can also save measurements for male. If you want to save a male measurement, this is for female and this is for male, but let's just continue with female. So you can put in all your measurements as you have measured on your customer's body, and here you can see the lower body measurements. So we are on the lower body here. Going down, you see other details. Other details include weight, height, phone number, that is a second phone number, birthday. If you know a date of birth, you can add it, and you see email and notes. So this note, if there's any other thing you take note of, maybe on her body or any useful information she gave you about how she wants address to look, you can just put that in this note and space. So if you have a picture, you can also add a picture from gallery or even take a picture at that moment. Then after that, you click, you're going to have the new customer save. So here you have it to be Lawal Abdurrashid Alabanji, a new customer. Going back to the home page, you see you got 2 new customer in the last 24 hours. Before it was 1 new customer. So that is how to add customer on Stylebitt. So you can keep your customers measurements, their name, their information on Stylebitt. You don't have to do pen and paper.